Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI influencer. So what if I told you that your next favorite influencer isn't even real? And today I'll show you how you can create your very own AI influencer using Nano Banana, HeyGen, and Midjourney step by step. So the first step, you can design with Midjourney. So generate character visuals like the face, the style, the outfits by using Midjourney. You can go to the midjourney.com and then sign up and just click on create in here. You need to use consistent prompts for brand identity and export it in high quality images. And the next step, animate with HeyGen. So you can go to HeyGen's web in here. So upload Midjourney design or pick a HeyGen avatar. In here, you can just choose the avatar from here and add text script or voice for realistic talking video. After that, you can customize the background and expression. And the next, expand the personality with Nano Banana. So go to the Google AR Studio and use Nano Banana in here for text to image consistency. You can create social media contents like posts, captions, short form visual. So for example, generate multiple outfits and mood for your influencer. You can go with Nano Banana. And after that, you can just putting it all together. So combine Midjourney visual, HeyGen videos, and Nano Banana content, and schedule posts like a real influencer, and then build a brand story, the niche, voice, and audience. And you can just sell AI influencer content for brand deals, UGC, VanView, or OnlyFans style AI avatars. Use AI influencer for marketing automations. So that's how you can create your own AI influencer from scratch using Nano Banana, HeyGen, and Midjourney. If you want me to make a full deep dive on monetizing your AI influencer, drop a comment below. Bye!